Cycle AI. So can you make money with Cycle AI app? So here is Cycle AI, and basically, um, yeah, they offer an opportunity for creators. If you're a creator in this app, you can then just see here, tap creator button, and then you can see that if you create character, if your character has a lot of chats, and then if it has a lot of like more just 20 followers and just 25 chats, which is completely reachable, so you just need to have a nice prompt to create this character, then you can start earning some revenue, which you unlock at creator level 3. So that's kind of what it is. And yeah, so that's kind of the idea. So yeah, you can unlock that. So yeah, pretty cool. So now you can make some money in unexpected ways. So check it out.